Now, your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
High temperatures today reaching the upper 80s, a warm, breezy, and moderately humid day. It's warmer and more humid than it was last week, but not necessarily summer level. Just got a little taste of summer in the air. Storms arrive tonight and a cold front moving in tomorrow, and as that approaches, numerous showers and thunderstorms has prompted that flood watch for the central and eastern areas. We'll start turning cooler once that front pushes through, and then after the front we actually clear out for a little while, only to have another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms by Thursday night or Friday. Right now, a mostly sunny sky as we're awaiting the incoming storm chances that could arrive tonight. That was Junction City. There's downtown Manhattan, as well as in Emporia. A few clouds here and there, but lots of sunshine and rather warm temperatures. Currently 87 degrees at Billard Airport. The dew point's just 61, so not too high. A little bit of a feel to that humidity in the air, but not enough to be problemsome. South wind at 16 miles per hour. This morning it was 59, a couple degrees cooler than average. So far we've been 5 degrees above average at 87. Now we look for below average weather to return, though. We have a cold front arriving tomorrow, and with that comes this rain chance. Right now we're well ahead of all of that, so we're sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures in the middle to upper 80s area wide. South breezes are 15 to 25 miles per hour. So we're looking at sunny, breezy, and moderately humid weather. Dew points are a little lower to the north. This gives us that best measure of how humid it is. You get this lower number in the 50s. That's pretty dry. Farther south, moderate amount of humidity with low to mid 60s, but it's not a full-on muggy day out there. And so we're just warm and a little humid. Thunderstorms out to the west will start to interact with some of that moisture in place across the plains. So as this pulls out, you can see those rains right now east of Amarillo on up to about Liberal. That's where we expect the most of the severe weather to be, in that area where the slight and then even enhanced outlook of severe weather from the Texas Panhandle into western Kansas. Some of that may clip our western counties late this evening or tonight. Doubtful we'll see much severe weather here. Tomorrow the severe weather threat shifts far enough east that we may have that little bit of overnight storms that won't be severe, so we're kind of in a gap in the severe weather threat over much of the area. What you'll see happen is the storms arrive tonight, maybe a few of these still strengthened to a severe level in our western counties, but weakening, and then more of a heavy rain producing chance round after round tomorrow morning, throughout the daytime tomorrow. Round after round of these showers and storms will total up, and that'll give us the heaviest rain to the south and east where that final round moves through before we clear out heading into Wednesday. So how much? We're talking about a quarter to a half inch for most areas by tomorrow morning, and then additional rain on top of that brings us to 1 to 3 inches over the eastern half of the area where we have that flood watch. Down to 70 for your low tonight, and that is going to be right around daybreak. South breezes around. We don't warm up much, maybe 72. And then late in the day, the winds will turn to the northwest, but initially southwest wind. And then we start falling in those temperatures after about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. And that'll have us all the way down to 52 by the daytime on Wednesday morning. But a beautiful day Wednesday, 75 and sunny to partly cloudy. Thursday, not a bad day, but we may start to see some storms in the late evening or overnight. Should be wrapping up in the early part of Friday, drying out for the rest of Friday and much of Saturday before more isolated thunderstorms return on Sunday. So while we may dodge the severe weather threat for tonight and tomorrow for much of the area, I don't think we're going to dodge that heavy rain threat. And it does look like numerous rounds of storms through tomorrow.
Well, certainly an impact to outdoor work and play.
Yeah, it is going to be. It's a decent amount of rain, and some of the waters are still high on some of the southern rivers, so we'll have to be watching for that as well.
All right, Matt, thank you so much, and stay tuned.